Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, today is about Valentine's Day look. Today is actually the 12th of February. Yes, so this look should be going up tomorrow against Valentine's Day. And you're wondering, I don't know what to do with my hair. Guys, this is just you buying a weave and getting gel of 200 naira, and you're looking, snatched, as if you're looking all put together, even you know the way the economy is right now. But guys, I'm here to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look and my hair installation as well, please stay tuned, keep watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and if you're not subscribed at this point, click on the red key button that says subscribe and join the family. Okay, and I'll see you all in my next video. For the hair, I'll be using this weave that I had on. If you're my friend or my contact on WhatsApp, you'd have seen me post this, the hair I had on last week. Yes, so just for to show you guys knowledge, I had to take it off so I can install it on camera for you guys. And I'll be using that bundle, and I'll be using 2 rubber bands and 1 bobby pin. Yes, so right now I'm going to comb my hair and pat it, give myself a nice sharp pat. And besides guys, this is all of me, yeah, just relaxed. Yeah, and I washed my hair over the weekend, so my hair is super clean, and I like to pat my hair off camera. Yes, so you guys can see it's nice, and I wouldn't say perfectly straight, but yeah, I was trying. So I'm just trying to comb this down right from the root. A B C D E F G. I'm going to take a rubber band and I'll twist this and I'll put that on my hand. I try to lay the hair using my comb as I try to reach down for the roots. Okay, I'm trying to comb this into a bun. So right now, let's go and I pack it, I'll drag it. You can see why I said you have to comb down. You can see here's a big ball. But I just hold it down. Yeah. So that's about that. And then I use my comb to straighten things out and to lay them flatter. Don't be scared. So I just had to come a little closer so you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the back right now. So this is what it looks like behind, and once I'm sure everything is secure, I hold it down and I tie it down with a rubber band. Okay, you guys can see everything is super flat for me right now. Going in with this super hold petal styling gel. It's a clear gel. I try to use a clear gel instead of the regular black ones. So I'm just going to scoop this and I start applying it to my hair, just to lay it down further and make it look slicky. You guys know what's up. Yeah, so just taking my time. I don't have to go in with one mighty scoop. I just have to make sure it all gets. Guys, I applied gel on one side of the hair. I've not applied on this side, just to show you guys what I do further, and then I'll go ahead to do this off camera. So what I do is after applying the gel, general summer, I go in my comb and I do this. Why? Because I want the gel to go in not just on the upper layer of the hair, but to go in a little bit more. I don't like so much gel in my hair, so I just do this so I can, you know, tame things down a bit. And while doing this, I try to open up my parts the more. Most of them, if you go to a salon, they tend to apply the gel before they pack the hair, you know, but baby girl is doing her own like this. Yeah. So guys, at this point you can see the hair looks laid. Yeah, so now I'm just using a brush, you know, to lay it down further and to make everything, you know, in sync with each other and look just so nice, you know. Take everything down to the bone. So now I'm going to take the second rubber band, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fold this, like wrap it around itself, and then that's a pretty cute little bone. So right now I'm going to use a scarf. It looks like this. I'm just going to put this in a triangle, and then in a triangle just like this, and fold it again just like this, and you know, and I place this on my head like so, and I tie it down just for it to um, lay flat and dry down a little bit before we go in with the bundle. So while we're doing that, I'll probably do my brows off color, and when I come back, so guys, my brows are all done. So I have about 4 bundles of hair here. 2, 3, 4. Yes. So I'm just gonna wrap them one after the other into my hair. Yeah. Some people use more than one bobby pin for this, but I don't want pin all over my hair. That's just it, because it could get pretty uncomfortable, especially when you don't take them in properly. So this is one bundle, but I didn't open it all up like this. So I just folded into 2. Yes, and this is how I'm going to do this. I start off, lay it around the bone. Can you guys see that? Yeah. I just twist it around. Yes. And you have to hold on. Okay guys, so this is what one bundle looks like already, and with what's left here, I just twist it and I hold it down while I get another bundle to start with, and I just place that on top of that, and I continue rolling. Yeah, like I said, some people use more than one bobby pin. At that point, you could actually use a bobby pin to hold it. But I don't want so much pin on my hair, so that's why I am just layering it. And you guys will see the point where I actually put the one bobby pin I showed you there. Yeah, so you just have to take your time to layer it. Super easy, guys. Super easy. So this is the end of the second bundle. At this point, I'm going to, you know, roll it and place it in my hair. But I'm also trying to take out some of this hair, like this amount, and I'll hold it down. What am I going to do with this? I'm just going to use this to secure the first 2 bones that I've created. So this is the hair that I took out, and I'm just wrapping it around the knot. To keep it tight and firm. Okay, and I tuck that in. So this is just two bundles, and you can comb this at this point because it's tangling. Yeah, so I'll do that. And you guys can see as I'm combing it, it's not even pulling off. You guys are going to get used to my side view, so you guys can see, it's looking so nice. It's coming out. So this is the third bundle, and we're just going to do the same thing we've been doing. We're wrapping it around it, just around it, keeping things really tight in there. So, and I'm going to use the bobby pin for this stage, you know. So this is the part where I slide in the bobby pin, just so we don't test our gods. For someone come and drag my hair inside boss. I can't test my gods, so no. So the bobby pin. The bobby pin is in. You have to make sure that when you put it this way, it doesn't come out of here. It has to like go into the hair. Yeah, so this is the final bundle. And guys, I forgot to mention how you start matters. If you want more volume up here, you start rolling. You place the first few centimeters of the hair here, but if you want more volume down, then you have to start from bottom up. Yeah, so let's go. Well, the first time I made this hair, like most people didn't believe it when I told them I actually did this hair myself, and so I'm just here to prove you guys I do myself. So this is the last part of this hair. So like we did in the second bundle, take a generous amount, and this time around you have to be more generous than the first time we did this, because we're actually going to use the hair to cover the tracks of this wave so it doesn't pop out and disgrace us in the presence of Igwe mad. You cannot afford that. You cannot. Now for Valentine Ghana, but we need to slay, man. So just stop that in, keep it fine, keep it simple. So right now I'm going to comb this out and we'll continue with our look for this Valentine, okay? Mwah. So guys, this is our hair and we're looking, super fly. So I'm just trying to tame any flying hair around, maybe due to my wrapping. I could get some really fly outs from the gel because it wasn't super dry. I'm still rolling this in, so I'm just trying to keep everything slick. Don't forget the back as well. And I think we're done, so let's move right back into our makeup. Okay, what do you think? It looks nice, right? So I'll be moisturizing with my Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion. That's what I have on. Yeah, so I'm using my clean hands for that matter. So and then I'll be going in with my primer, which is from Beyond Beauty. It's their high definition primer. And I'm using this on my face. And I'll be setting this with my translucent powder, my Laura Mercier. Yay! So for foundation, I'll be using the one Everlasting foundation from Oriflame, and I'll be using chestnut and caramel. 1 pump of chestnut and 2 pumps of caramel, because our skin could be dry some days, and I'll be using a brush. Yes, so I'm just going to mix that up. Sometimes I use caramel and I notice it's just too yellow for me. So I like to tone it down with chestnut, so, and it kind of gives me my perfect shade though. So Just blending this out with the brush. So my foundation is sitting pretty. At this point, I would like to go in with a beauty blender, but the weather is so dry, and I noticed my foundation has already dried up before I can go with my beauty blender, to blend it further. So at this point, I can go in with a fixed blush, but I want to go in with this glow mist from So Pro. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a good shake and then spray it down there and blend everything in to give me that glowy effect. You can do this before applying your foundation, you can do it after your foundation, whichever way works for you. And I love this Oriflame foundation. It's lightweight and it still gives you skin like finish. Yeah, it's not your super coverage foundation. Guys, it doesn't even look as if I'm wearing foundation. So for concealer, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro in Fawn and my Zaron liquid concealer and highlight in medium. Okay, yes. So I learned a new trick. I don't apply concealer no more directly to my under eye. I like to go in with a brush and do just that. Yeah, so that's my brush. So I'll be using my under brush and I'm just going to apply that under my eye. And I'll blend that out. So for the extra highlight, I'll be applying the Zaron directly in my inner corner, just for that extra highlight. Yeah, just that, and I'll blend that out, just so that my under eye can pop. After all, it's Valentine's Day. Good guys. Just see how my eyes opened up more, and I just blend that out. Guys. I went ahead to set the areas I highlighted. Now I'm just going to try and blend out my contour and set that as well, so we can move over to the eyes. Side I'm doing cream contour today. Yeah. So. And I used my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Espresso to contour. Yeah. Just to give me that natural flush of color. Okay? So. I'm going to use my powder palettes to set the contour part of my face. I'm going to use the darker shade in this palette. It's just to set the contour part of my face. I'm not doing something so deep and super defined. We're trying to keep everything natural, guys. because my phone died on me. Yes, and I applied some lashes and my mascara, and I probably did my lips or something. Yes, I did. Not probably, I did. So this is what the look looks like. Yes, it's not so overpowering. Yes, it's for a night look. That's why I have a bright lip on. Yes, so it's something like you go out for dinner with, or you have like an event, a comedy show to attend with your boo, you know. So that's why I have a bold lips on. But after this video, I'm gonna take it off because I'm in the office and I can't be going out with this sort of lip around me. Yes, so as for my look, it's gonna remain all the way throughout today. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. I'm still your humble girl, Kella, and happy Valentine's Day. And yes, I also want to use this medium to say happy birthday to my sister, Galicious. Yeah, she's +1 today, and I wish you greatness, amazing things, and I love you, my sister. I love you so much. I actually delayed this look just to do it on your day, so I could actually give you a surprise video call today with your baby girl looking so. Yeah, you know, your baby sister's looking so fine, so I'm gonna call you today. Okay. I love you guys. Take care. See you on my next video. Bye.